Yes, yes, yes. This is Big Ben, and I am live. Welcome to my channel. Over here, I only focus on the charts. So if you're new to the channel, you've been losing money this whole year, I'm here to tell you that you are doing the wrong things. And right now, in this current market, focusing on the chart is probably the best thing you can do, period, hands down. So hit that subscribe button. I am a professional day trader, professional swing trader. I day trade the financial markets Monday through Friday, and I also swing trade crypto. So if this is something that you want to learn more about, definitely hit that subscribe button. There's a lot of money to be made, and if you're just not making money right now, then something is wrong. So hit that subscribe button. Of course, during this live stream, I'm not giving no one financial advice. This is entertainment only, okay? And if you are watching that replay, you can actually hit the settings, hit speed, either choose 1.5 or 2, so you can speed up the replays. So, all right, so let's get this thing up and rolling. Let's see. Let's give you guys a round of applause. Also, let's see who's in the chat room. What's going on, Eric? Let me pop this thing out real quick. Alrighty. All right, so what's going on, guys? Today we're going to talk about, is this a fake out? All right, is this Bitcoin fake out? These other cryptocurrencies, XRP and all these other ones, was this just a fake out? All right, let's go to the coin market cap first. What's going on, Swazza? What's going on, Crypto? Alex, Eric, what's going on, guys? Like I said, I don't know. Right now it's 1:13 p.m. where I'm at, Eastern time. That's the afternoon, so I don't know how many people is going to come on the live stream, but shout out to everybody that's here so far. All right, shout out to all you guys here so far. All right, so let's go to the coin market cap. I definitely will refresh this. So that's 220 market cap right here. It's still holding, it's still like resistance. We talked about this before. It might go above this level if we decide to go up, but right now, this 220 right now, it is resistance. So we just have to see if this thing will continue to go down. The volume itself is just slow again. Dominance is still at 52%, and things are just looking like it's ready to make a big move, but it's taking forever, right? I mean, Bitcoin is taking. Oh my gosh! I mean, it's just ridiculous, guys. It's to the point where, you know, I mean, I'm about to go to sleep. Bitcoin, like I said, XRP is the only coin right now. I said this in my other live streams. Is the only coin that's probably going to give you the gains that you want. Bitcoin right now is just so slow. Even though it looks bearish right now, it's just so slow. It's like, man, it's definitely look like it's looking like the market is waiting for news to come out. Okay, that's what it looks like right now. Okay, so let's say that bad news come out today, tomorrow, and the market goes down. Most rookies they're going to think that the news brought down the market, and that's not the case. Okay, you have to understand the news that's not the reason why the market is going down. If we go down, the reason why is because we've been going down for the whole year. I mean, we are in a bear market. So when we have bad news or any type of news that comes out, and we see a big a move, that's just an excuse for the big dogs to blame it on the news. Okay, they want to blame it on the news, but it was going to go down regardless. Okay, so this looks like we're waiting for some big crazy news, and you just gotta wait. Will it go to the upside? It's very hard to say because we are at this break of this triangle. All right. And these double tops are still in place. So right now, this looks bearish, guys. It looks bearish. We had this fake breakout right here, was this bar right here. A lot of people was talking about this, talking about, yeah, guys, this is it. And I don't see no bulls buying the market right now. So this looks like a bear setup. It's just taking so long because they want to hold this market above this 6,000 level. I don't know the reason why, but they want to hold this thing up to the 6,000 level, you know. And but I tell you this much: if we do see a big blast down, most likely that's it, done deal. But that's what we're looking at right now. XRP itself, of course, looks like a fake breakout. We tried to go up plenty of times. We tried to go up plenty of times with XRP. XRP is so weak right now that it doesn't want to go up, guys. It just don't want to go up. So XRP, pretty much the whole market is looking fake. I didn't really check out Tron because I know Tron was actually going up not too long ago. Okay, so Tron is actually finding resistance right here. So Tron is probably going to be a good setup soon. Okay, Tron is looking like it's looking like it found some type of resistance. So we just got to check this out. Like I said, it all depends on Bitcoin, see what Bitcoin is doing. But Tron did find some temporary resistance at this level right here. And we just got to wait and see if it wants to go up and test the high once again. But overall, guys, thanks a lot for stopping by. If you have any questions, let me know. Who's in the building? What's going on, Glenn? What's going on, Brad? Muhammad? Okay. Muhammad said bull trap. Yes, and anything that's in the bear market, guys, anything that's in the bear market is a bull trap. Okay, so any pullback you see in a bear market is labeled as a bull trap. It's just that we don't know how far that bull trap is going to go. Okay, so for example, we see this bull trap right here. It went up pretty high, okay, and then it slammed right back down. Same thing with this. It went up pretty high, slammed right back down. So everything in a bear market, when it goes up, it's a trap, okay, until it's not a trap. And this definitely looks like a trap because the volume is so low. I mean, look at it, guys. Look at the volume. Look. You see the volume underneath here? It's just dropping like crazy. So the volume is so low. This is not accumulation, okay? Most people feel like this is the bottom, but they don't understand how the market works, okay? If this really was the bottom, trust me, you would see so much volume come in the market, it would be ridiculous, all right? But the volume is so low, no real buyers in the market. This is why I love to look at the numbers. It keeps me safe, and it keeps me basically not, you know, just not getting hurt from the big boys. Okay, so let me see if I see any questions, guys. If you have any questions, let me know during this live stream. Of course, this live stream, it is about me, you know, looking at the market, keep you guys updated, but also is about you guys too. So if you have any questions, let me know. Alex said Tron is stuck right now. Yeah, Tron is stuck. Pulling back a little bit though. What's going on, Brad? Let me see. Yeah, quiet before the storm. Yeah, man. Alex, let me ask you something. Are you in the Discord room, Alex? Alex, do you come in the Discord room? Because I don't know if I saw you. I think I only saw you one time. Mr. 66, what's going on? Josh, what's going on? You said you got back from vacation. Where you was at, Josh? Craig, what's going on? Cedric, what's going on? Okay, Alex. What's your overall opinion on the crypto? You think is a boom or a bust? Overall, you know, my overall opinion on the crypto market is I believe it's going to take a while before it recovers. Okay, I truly believe it's going to take a while before it recovers because it went up too quick. So yes, it was a bubble where it just went straight up, and now it's crashing. Okay, so I believe it's going to take a while before we see any type of bull market, because that's how bear markets, you know, react to prices when they go up crazy like this. It just takes its time going down, you know. Plus, the overall crypto market is changing. Okay, most people they don't understand that the whole, you know, the overall market itself, the crypto market. I can almost probably guarantee you it's not going to be like we saw in the past. Okay, what we saw in the past, prices was going up crazy. I think it's going to be much slower now because the government is involved. Okay, so most people don't. I don't think most people understand that. Most people when they come with these outrageous numbers, saying Litecoin is going to go here, Bitcoin is going to go here, and XRP is going to go to the moon. They don't realize that everything is going to, in my opinion, everything will become much slower. You're seeing it right now. You see how slow the market is. I think that's how it's going to just be, because we can't just continue to have these boom and bust cycles. That's not healthy for anything. So these boom and bust cycles are not healthy. Most people don't understand when the market goes up so fast and so quick, that's unsustainable. So you will always have a crash. Okay, so let's say that if Bitcoin does go to let's say Bitcoin goes to 40K, right? And it goes to the 40K so fast, it's going to crash. All right, it's always going to crash. So that's, you know, that's a market that you really don't want to trust so much. And this market has to have some type of, you know, stability. And I think that's what the regulations or the government is trying to do. But, you know, me personally, I don't like the government coming in the crypto market, but it is what it is. What's going on, Shane? You said you got some beach time, Cancun. That's what's up, man. Muhammad says several bull traps. Yeah. But guys, I mean, you know, bull traps is part of a bear market, and you don't have to complain about that. You can actually make money. You don't have to have a bull market to make money. Let me see here. Yeah, I hear you, man. Hey, what's going on, Adrian? So yes, I really think this could be a fake out breakout. Or we can pop, if we decide to pop up, which is a possibility too. I think that pop up will be a fake out breakout. And if we decide to break these double tops right here, most likely we're gonna go higher, maybe to the 7,000s, okay, or all the way back to the 74. But I don't know if Bitcoin wants to go that high again. Okay, I don't know if it wants to go that high. I think it wants to stay at this level, and just chop around for a long time, and then maybe blast down. Because in my last video I said it's very hard for me to see the market reverse from here, go to the moon without stopping these guys out. There's a lot of stops below these levels right here, a lot. Yes, that's definitely hit those likes, guys. Definitely. All right, so let me see. So as I said, thank God for finding your channel, your course, and Discord room. Now I'm on the right place to grow and prosper, man. Shout out to Swazza. He's going hard in the Discord, man. Shout out to him. Thanks a lot. What's the best way to short? You have to use Bitfinex. Any platform, Bitfinex, BitMEX, any platform that allows you to short. I use JAFX, but they don't accept US clients no more. But they have more. We have there's a lot of brokers out here, like forex brokers that have cryptos that you can short with. James said, do you think it's possible BTC will be more stable coin in the future? Yes, I think that's what's going on right now. Okay, so that's why you know, I shake my head when I hear people with these crazy ideas. Okay, what happened to the people that said Bitcoin was going to be at 50K by the end of this year, guys? All right, we right now we are about to approach. It's going to be November soon. Trust me, it's going to be November soon, right? And I want to know, where are the people that claim that Bitcoin was going to go to 50K by the end of this year? Okay, and I want to see the people that claim that XRP is going to go to $10 by the end of this year. Okay, I want to see those people, because people just don't understand. For Bitcoin or XRP is going to come to the XRP can't. We don't have enough time for XRP to even go to $3. Okay, we don't even have time for XRP to go all the way back to $3. Okay, 2 months is not enough time for XRP to even go to $3. So I don't know where these people even, you know, I just shake my head sometimes, man. The hype is real in this cryptocurrency world. Okay, everybody has unrealistic thoughts, and I know why. I know exactly why. I know exactly why, and the reason why is very simple. It's very, very simple. Okay, most of these YouTubers, okay, that made money last year. Okay, most of these YouTubers that made money last year, they got lucky. Okay, they got lucky. So what I'm basically saying is the market was going up, right? And if you was buying last year, yes, you made money. I'm quite sure you made a lot of money. Okay, but what the market loves to do is it loves to make you feel that you have everything figured out and you understand how the market works. Okay, the market loves to do that. The market loves to make you feel you know what you're doing. Okay, until the bear market comes and you're gonna realize, damn, I don't know what I'm doing. You know, so that's why a lot of people think that way, have these unrealistic numbers. They don't really understand how a bear market works. A bear market is not designed for it to go down and reverse just like that. It's just not designed like that. It takes time for everything to heal. Okay, I think Bitcoin will be, you know, more stable in the future. It will slow down, especially, you know, because for you know, for you guys that want Wall Street to come in, this is why I just shake my head every single time I hear people just talk about the market. For all you guys that want Wall Street to come in this market, Wall Street will drag this market down and mess this market up. Okay, if Wall Street comes in, because most people believe that if Wall Street comes in this market, we're just going to shoot right up, and it's that, guys, it don't happen like that. All right, if Wall Street comes in the market, this market is going to be, it's definitely going to become stable. Okay, Wall Street is not going to risk money in a unstable market. So the market will become stabilized, and it's not going to be, you're not going to see those crazy moves that we saw in the past. Let me read these questions here. Let me see if I see you guys have any questions. Shout out to everybody that's here, man. Thanks a lot for stopping by. If you have any questions, let me know. You're not going to see these people. They are going to stay 30. I know, right? They are very quiet. This is why you can't listen to people in this crypto market. This market is all about hype. All about hype. Okay? And the people that's hyping it up, it's a reason why they have hyping it up. Okay? Then you have the people that's controlling the market, and they hyping up for reasons because they know that they want to sell the market so you can lose money. And then you got the other people like YouTubers that's hyping it up because they hyping it up because they can get views. All right? They get views, and they get paid off the views and subscribers. So that's what you got to deal with in this market. A whole bunch of hype. And then you have people that believe everything most people say. So if you're holding Tron right now or Litecoin, and someone says, yeah, Tron is going to hit $5 by the end of this year, most people will believe it because they're holding the coin and they want to believe anything that sounds good. Another crazy news based on YouTubers was predicting a huge bull market coming next month. I know, exactly. Even that guy, what's that guy name? I forgot that guy name. Saying some crazy stuff like next month is going to be a bull market or a huge move up. Let me see here. NN said your live trading video was interesting to see. Which program do you use to set your trades? I use a forex broker, and I use Sierra Charts. Sierra Charts. That's the name of the chart on the platform. So let's look at these coins real quick. And if you're struggling right now and you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button because I know it's gonna come to a point where you're gonna get tired of listening to your favorite YouTuber hyping things up every year or every month. Something new is gonna happen, and they're going to trick you to make you believe every single month this is going to be the month. All right. So Ethereum looks weak. Looks like it's trying to go down. Litecoin. Yeah, all these coins look weak. It's just we just gotta wait for that big move. I mean, I think it's gonna happen. It's gonna catch everybody by surprise. I don't know if it's gonna be at night. Probably gonna be at night. I don't know, but we'll see. But definitely everything looking bearish right now. It doesn't look like it's trying to go up to the upside. Can it go to the upside? Of course. Okay, of course it can go to the upside. If it does decide to go to the upside, most likely it's going to be a fake breakout. Bitcoin might hit that 7,000 level. And a lot of people is going to say, I told you. Okay, watch. If Bitcoin decides to break out to the top, okay, you know what most people are going to say? I told you this was the bottom. Watch. Okay, so if Bitcoin decides to break up, people are going to be screaming, yay! This is it. I told you this was the bottom. Okay, and then sellers is probably just going to come right back in, smack them down. Brad said, I guess you have to consider this is a new class, new asset. They don't come often. Brad, I mean, what do you mean by that though, Brad? What do you mean by that, Brad? Adrian said, can I look at EOS? Brad, yeah, what do you mean by this don't come often? Yeah, EOS is pretty much doing the same thing. We went down. EOS actually looks like it's trying to go up. So if these coins decide to go up, break up, okay, trust me, it can do that. It can definitely break up to the upside. Just don't get too happy, okay? Just don't get too happy. The overall picture is still down. Bitcoin itself has to, at least for this to turn a bull market, Bitcoin has to at least go to 10,000, hold that level, hold that 10,000 level, and make newer highs from there. Okay. So any type of rally you see right now, please guys, do not get hyped. Please, I don't want you guys to lose money. Do not get hyped. I see videos, people. This one YouTuber. I mean, basically, he was bashing technical analysis. His whole career, his whole YouTube career, right, crypto career, and all of a sudden, lately, he been studying technical analysis, using it, right, making videos about it. And now he's trying to buy the bottom with Bitcoin, and he's trying to time the bottom. And most people don't understand that the big dogs that control the market, they know that you're trying to time the bottom, guys. They understand that. They want you to try to time the bottom because they know that, okay, that's more money for them. They know you trying to time the bottom, guys. All right. So buying the bottom is just pretty much reckless. Waiting for a BTC move, I guess. Yeah, no. Crypto Fingers, can I get your email so I can get the Facebook and Discord group? Yeah, Crypto Fingers. All you have to do is when you email me, send me proof that you got the course. All right. Send me proof that you bought the course. And once you send me proof that you bought the course, I will send you that Discord room. And anybody don't have the course already, check this out. During the live stream, I usually give you guys that discount. So right now it's $210. I'll give you guys that discount right now. I forgot all about this, but let me get this over with so I can go back to the charts. If you don't have this by now, check this out. It comes with a Discord room. You can chat with me, my students, talk about crypto. We post charts. The whole works. If you're not making money right now, this is the course for you, because most people is on the sidelines just waiting. Okay, there's money to be made right now. So I just gave you guys that link if you just want to get into it. But yeah, Crypto Fingers, send me proof that you bought the course so I can give you that Discord room. And guys, if you have any questions, let me know. Let me know what you think about the overall market. And also, who is that, Brad? Crypto is a new asset class. Stocks. Yeah, I understand. You said that, Brad, but I'm trying to figure out why are you saying that? I understand crypto is a new class, but what's the reason you're saying that? I don't get the reason that you're saying that. Can you tell me the reason why you're trying to say that? So yeah, guys, if you're new to the channel, welcome. If you have any questions, let me know. Don't be shy. I'm not gonna bite your hand off. Definitely hit those likes, guys, and yeah. So Hit me up with some questions. And for you guys that's tuning in, just to let you know, I'm not a full-time bear. I would love the market to go up, but since I do this full time and I understand how the market works, for me to believe that the market is just going to go up right now, it's just foolish, because I understand how the market works. And since we are in a bear market, it usually lasts for years. So I'm here chilling, making money from the bear market. And some people can't accept that. And it's usually the people that made a lot of money last year. So all they know how to do is buy, okay? And it's usually the people that's holding some coins and they feel that the coin is going to continue to go up because they read something based on the news. So everybody's not going to understand what I'm trying to say during my live streams, but it's okay. Yeah, I know, Alex. You're right. I want to see this thing move too. I definitely want to see. I want to see Bitcoin move. I definitely want to see this move. That's why I said, guys, right now, XRP is probably the best coin to trade right now. XRP is just giving you the gains that you want. This thing looks so weak. It looks so weak that I wouldn't be surprised if it goes back down to the 42 or 43 mark. So this thing looks so weak. So right now, the XRP is the coin that I'm looking at. Bitcoin is so slow, it's ridiculous. Yeah, Brad, let me know why you saying that. Please let me know what's the reason why you said crypto is a new class. I'm trying to figure out. James said, Ben, do you TA on the stock market? Like, yeah, yes. Yes, I definitely I'm from the stock market, James. Okay. Crypto market is just something that I do on the side. I swing trade the cryptos, but I day trade every single day. I day trade the futures market, so I use TA on those markets. Okay, and that's how I'm able to come to the crypto market to and make money too. But yes, AMD. I trade AMD before. I made money from AMD. So the whole all charts work the same. Okay, all charts work the same. AMD looks like a stock that's overbought anyway. So I'm definitely expecting AMD to crash, just like the overall market anyway. So AMD looks like a stock that's just overbought and it looks like it's crashing. Probably gonna crash soon. Let me see here. Brad said, this is rare to be in a new asset class, so there could be no rhyme or reason, although TA helpful gauge. Honestly, I don't agree with that. I'm gonna tell you why. Because you have to understand at the end of the day, okay? You have to understand at the end of the day, this crypto space is controlled, okay? It's controlled. So what you said is 100% correct. I'm not saying that what you said is not correct. It's 100% correct. But at the same time, just because it's correct doesn't mean it's going to work that way. Okay? So because what I'm trying to say is there's people at the top. There's people at the top that will that basically push buttons. Okay? So if they want this market to go up, they can make it go up. they wanted it to go down, they can make it go down. Okay, so yes, in theory, yes, that sounds good. What you said is 100% correct. But in reality, it's totally different. Okay, it's totally different. So you just have to keep that in mind. You have to keep that in mind that most people think that the market is free, and we're dealing with you know, supply and demand, and it's not. It don't work like that, guys. This market is controlled, and a lot of stuff doesn't make sense. I'm just trying to give you guys my experience and trying to help you guys out. Okay, so you know, put it like this. You know, let me ask you guys this. I mean, not really ask you, but what if everything that you know about the markets and how to invest in the market was a lie? We was always told to buy and hold, never sell, retire until we 65 years old, right? Get a good job, invest in 401ks. What if everything that you know about life or the markets, how to invest, is basically a lie? Because the way I judge myself, especially in the financial world, the way I grade myself, I have to grade myself by my bank account. Okay, that's the only way. I know it sounds hard and it sounds crazy, but if you was in school and if you wasn't doing good, it would show on your report card, right? Okay, so your bank account in the financial world is your report card. So if you're not consistently making money, that means that you know, it's going to show in your bank account. All right. So me personally, guys, I don't really care about buying and holding. Yes, you have stories where when people bought and hold and they made millions of dollars. Yes, you had people bought Bitcoin 10 years ago and they made millions of dollars. Yes. Yes, you had people that bought gold and made millions of dollars. Yes. Okay, but it always comes to a point where things slow down. Most people just don't understand that. It comes to a point where things slow down and it's not going to work the same. Okay, so for the people that's buying and holding gold right now, for people that's buying and holding gold, ask them how are they enjoying, you know, buying and holding. Okay, if you bought gold maybe 10 years ago, ask yourself, do you like buying and holding? Okay, that's 10 years went by, you didn't see anything. Okay, and the thing with the crypto market, okay, most people don't realize is, yes, it is new. It is a new asset, but the thing with crypto is going up. So it's going up too fast. Okay, so even though it's a new class asset, it's going up too fast, and too fast usually means unsustainable. Okay, so it's going to come to a point where things are maxed out, and it's going to slow down. All right, so that's what most people just don't understand how things work. In theory, yes, it sounds good. It sounds like, yes, this is a new market. We have a lot of growth. You know, we can see this thing go to 100K. But sometimes things don't work like that, right? And you as an investor have to at least put that on the table and understand that's a possibility. See, that's what most people, investors, get wrong. Okay, they don't understand that it's a they don't understand, or they don't want to put that on the table and understand that's a possibility, that if they buy right now, they won't even see anything until maybe 10, 20 years from now. They don't put that on the table. They want things to go up every year, and that's unsustainable. Only time something could really go up consistently like that is something that's stable, right? It can rise up maybe little by little every year, but it won't give you that many gains. Okay, so it won't give you that much gains, per year, but it's stable and it's going up every year. Okay, but when you have things like this shooting up 10,000%. That's unsustainable, and it can't last forever. Okay, it has to relax, and it's gonna have to be a period where it's just going sideways and not doing anything. But like I said before, most people don't really understand how things work. It's very hard for me to come on here to explain things to people, because automatically they think I'm negative, or automatically they think that it's not possible. Okay, the same people said, you know how many people said it's impossible for Bitcoin to go below 10,000? I remember people said that. Okay, when the market was dropping this year, man, it's impossible for Bitcoin to go 10,000. Don't worry about it. And it went below 10,000. Well, it's gonna go back up. It's impossible for Bitcoin to go to 8,000 and went below 8,000. So, you always have to at least put a possibility on the table to give yourself that wiggle room, okay? Because if you're just going to be a guy that's just think one way, you might as well just give your money to the homeless, because these guys that you're dealing with. I'm talking about the people that control the market. These guys are on another level, guys. Another level. I mean, really. They will do anything to take money. What's going on, Leslie Savage? What's going on, Gareth? You said pulled 100% on a G. All right, that's what's up. Gareth said he pulled 100%. Let me give him that. Ching button. Shout out to Gareth making his bread. What's going on, Crypto Inspo? Yeah, so, I mean, basically, let's look at gold real quick, okay? Let's look at gold. And, you know how many times, people saying, gold is going to do something, gold is going to do that. But it's not doing anything. So this is why, guys, this is why I always come on my live stream, okay? Some people might not like what I say, because it's not going to match up to what, it's not going to match up to their beliefs, okay? It's not going to match up to their beliefs because they want to believe something else. But I'm trying to give you guys reality in how the market works, guys. You have to understand, we don't control the market, okay? The market has nothing to do with supply and demand. I thought, trust me, when I first started out, I thought the market has to do with supply and demand, okay? But it's not. It's controlled by the people that's at the top. So gold, if you bought it in 2010, okay? I mean, basically, this is why I tell you guys, buy and hold is for the rich, because you have situations where, I mean, guys, decades pass and your investment is not doing anything. Okay, the average Joe I don't care what no one says. The average Joe cannot emotionally handle this, okay? The average Joe can't handle that. Seeing 10 years pass by just like that, and you're not getting no gains. But the rich, they don't care. You know why they don't care? And they willing to hold on this as long as possible. You know why they don't care? Because they have more money coming in every single month. They're not relying on a buy and hold. Okay, this is why I'm trying to come when I come out on my live streams. I try to give you guys the game that the rich is playing. Okay, I'm not trying to give you some stupid game where you know, you're gonna blow your money. I'm trying to give you a game the rich people are playing. Okay, they rely on a daily, weekly, monthly income. They don't rely on, oh, I'm gonna buy something because I believe in this company. I think it's gonna go up, and that's it. No, they don't do that, guys. So anyway, let's go back to the crypto market. Shout out to everybody that's here. Thanks a lot for stopping by. If you have any questions, let me know. CNBC did come up with something like this. I read this not too long ago. CNBC analyst predicts Bitcoin price is about to explode. So we all know what that's about, guys. We all know that the CNBC is the new MACD. Okay, CNBC is the new RSI. So you know, prices might be dropping. I don't know. Shout out to Swazza for giving me this $5 super chat. Let me give him a round of applause. Thanks a lot. Invest in yourself. Invest in the course. In the course. Invest in your future, man. Shout out to Swazza. Definitely a good guy right there. Definitely a good guy right there, man. Thanks a lot. I appreciate it, man. Thanks a lot for that super chat. Flex Crypto, what's going on? Crypto, yo, Crypto Inspo, where you been at? You said you know you want us to know and understand our risks, which is I'm trying to figure out what you said, Brad, but I think I understand. So shout out to you, Brad. So crypto school, I mean, you said you've been in school. All right, I hear that. Yeah, so guys, you know, shout out to everybody that's here. Thanks a lot for stopping by. If you're not in that Discord, definitely check the Discord out. But overall, the market looks like it's trying to fake people out. I don't like anything to the upside. Is it a possibility it can go up? Yes, it is a possibility. Okay, you know, I talked about this plenty of times. Okay, I told you guys that they can do one more move to the upside just to fake people out. Everybody's going to go crazy. Everybody's going to think this is it. This is the bottom, and then sell right off. So yes, this could be the bottom, but right now, as of right now, this double top is in play. We tried to break out yesterday. We had problems. So right now it looks bearish, and I'm just looking for things to the downside. So I'm about to get out of here. Let me see what's going on, Leonard. Yeah, smash these likes, man. Swazza said, I have learned more in the past week about the markets than I ever in my entire life since buying the course. That's facts. Shout out to Swazza, man. Thanks a lot, man. So what do you guys think? You think this could be a fake out or what, guys? I mean, what do you guys think? Because I'm quite sure a big move is going to happen real soon. Okay, I'm leading more to the downside because we are in a bear market and we have double tops right here. But it is a possibility we can shoot up. Yes. So what do you guys think? You think this is a fake breakout, or are they gonna bring this thing back up? What's going on, Golden Arm? Shout out to Golden Arm. I see we don't have no trolls on the live stream today. No trolls on the live stream. That's what's up. Yeah, so let me see what you guys saying with these. Looks bearish. Looks like a bearish flag from the top. A red candle. Yeah, it does look like a bearish. Definitely looks like it's trying to go down. All right, guys. So if anything, I might do another live stream later on. If not, you know, definitely see you guys probably either tomorrow or another day. Adrian said, "Let me try to answer the big question about the next hype. I guess it's possible." I don't believe BTC above 20K. Yeah, this year, of course not. I mean, we don't even have enough time for Bitcoin to go to 20K. Okay. So, guys, you have to understand for your people that's watching me for the first time, and after this, I'm about to get out of here. But for the YouTubers that you're watching, they want the market to do this. I mean, even in the bull market, when we had that crazy bull market, when do you see the market have one big candle like that? Okay, one big candle in 2 months. Boom, 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 boom. In 2 months, we're going to go all the way back to 20K. Okay, in 2 months, XRP is going to hit $5. Okay, so let me show you $5 on XRP chart. 2 months. This is why, guys, this is why you have to be careful who you listen to. In 2 months, this is what XRP is going to do in 2 months. And let me squeeze down to $5. See how crazy $5 is? See how high that $5 is? So in 2 months, XRP is going to go all the way up to $5. Just like that. Just like that. And these are the people that you're watching and you believe in. Okay? Anyway, let me get out of here. Shout out to everybody that's here, though. Thanks a lot for coming through. See you guys on that Discord room. Let me see if I see any more questions before I leave. Maybe just making high highs, high lows. Yeah, I know exactly. And that's the next thing, right? The next thing is next year, right? They're gonna hype next year up. Watch January. Watch January probably gonna be the most hype month next year. Oh, next year, guys, January is the new year. A lot of people are gonna start buying cryptocurrencies. Buy it now. Buy now. Let me see here. XRP explode. Yeah, Crypto Inspo, man. Shout out to you. I'm gonna let you know when that day trading course coming out. Shout out to Golden Arm for giving me this $5 super chat. Thanks a lot. I wanted to use this button today. But shout out to Golden Arm for giving me that $5 super chat. Appreciate it. Yeah, man. Yeah, I hear you. I hear you, Adrian. Altcoins started to shrink until today. Yep. Man, this whole market is just so right now dead. XRP is moving though. definitely I see XRP continue to go down. This thing is weak. All right, so guys, thanks a lot. See you guys in the Discord. And if you're new to the channel, definitely hit that subscribe button. So I'll talk to you guys later. You said let's go XRP Daddy needs a house. Talk to you guys later. Make sure you have a good day and make sure you always improve, study, improve, study. Talk to you guys later and have a great day. All right.